Hi, this is Mrs. Fossey with a Canvas tutorial on how to access Canvas through a website. You can access Canvas through any device using a web browser such as Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari. For your iPads, I've already placed a shortcut for Canvas website, which will open in Safari. Once at the login screen, you enter your username. That's the first part of your email address before the @ symbol, and your password. Okay, when Canvas launches, it may bring up the prompt at the top that you can launch the Canvas app, but you can touch the X in the corner and close that option. When you open Canvas on your website, it will go directly to the dashboard, which will show all of the courses that you have starred, similar in your Canvas app. You can go to courses and all courses if you need to change what is showing on the dashboard. Example, if you are going through second semester and your courses have changed, you can change which apps or which courses have been starred. Going back to the dashboard, your course is showing. You have little icons in the squares for each course. If they have a number next to them, such as in this case the APC course has a 1 by the megaphone, that is showing that there is a new announcement there. Looking to the right, under To Do, this is a list of all items that you may need to address. It'll have an icon next to it, so if it has the megaphone, it's an announcement. If it has the calendar, it's just an item on the calendar. You have quizzes with the rocket and the assignments with the paper and the pencil. If you've already addressed an item on your to-do list, you can touch the X and it will go off the to-do list. If you touch Show All, it will give you everything in that to-do list. Feedback is an area that shows you if an assignment has been graded. You can view grades at the bottom for all of your assignments. Going back to the top on the dashboard, you have the 3 dots. If you touch here, you can get, instead of a card view, you can get a list view of all of your courses. From the top, you can go back and look at grades. From the list view, you can look at announcements that you have, and you can touch the 3 dots again to change this view for recent activity. Touching the 3 dots again, you can go back to your card view. You also have the calendar view on your menu bar. In the web browser version of the calendar, you have more options. Over to the right, you have all of the different courses and the color-coded calendar items. If you touch on the box, you can remove items or courses off of the calendar. Likewise, touching them again, putting the color, you can put them back on the calendar. You also have a personal calendar here as well, so if you would like to put your own items on the calendar, you would just touch the plus symbol and enter your calendar item. If you would like it to be included on the to-do list, touch the To-Do tab, enter the information, and then submit. You can see your calendar in an agenda view. It's just a list view for every day. Back to the month view, and then there is a weekly view. Okay, then you have the inbox over on the left-hand side. Again, this is where you can message your instructors or they can message you. You also have your email. These are not coming to your regular email address, but these would be directly within Canvas. The help area at the bottom, again, you can ask your instructor a question. This would go to their inbox. You can search the Canvas guide for assistance. Reporting a problem, again, that will come to our tech department with your name and the issue. If you report through here, make sure you are specific about the issue. Please don't just say that it's not working, but please give us a detailed description so that we can help you. You are also able to email me, Mrs. Fossey, if you're having an issue or a question. If you'd like to submit a feature idea, a legitimate feature idea, you can do that as well. If you have a suggestion, the Canvas developers are always willing to listen. Okay, under Account at the top on the black menu bar, you have your account area. From here, you can log out. You can go to your profile. If you go to your profile, you have the ability to edit the profile, such as a biography, links that you might use, and then save. You can also change your profile picture here as well. The files area, again, is a place that you can search files that you have submitted. You can also save files here. Going back under settings, you have the web services that you're registered for. So for example, you can sign into your Google Drive from here, so it's easy to access. You also have at the very bottom how you are contacted for Canvas. From here, this is where you can add a contact method such as your cell phone number if you'd like to receive text messages for Canvas. At the very bottom, you can download course content if you do not have internet access at home. This is a way to get course content before you leave school. The Pair with Observer option, this is how you receive a code to share with your parents so that they can access Canvas as well. And finally, the last option under Account is ePortfolios. This is something that we've not really discussed before, but if you would like to start to gather items to keep in a digital portfolio showing your progress, you can actually create that here under your account profile. Okay, and so if you would like to use Canvas through the website, you can bookmark. To bookmark Canvas in Safari, you would touch the arrow with the box around it and add a bookmark, the item with the book. You can give it a name such as Canvas and save it. So then the next time you are in Safari, you can touch the book and there is your bookmark for Canvas. So you're all set to use it without needing to remember what the website is. Likewise, if you are going through Chrome and would like to use Chrome to access Canvas, open the Chrome app, and you can find the link for Canvas on our South Vermilion website under the Student Center. It is also listed below for Canvas for students and staff. Once you launch the site and get to the login page, you can bookmark this in Chrome as well by touching on the star. That bookmarks the site, and then later, if you need to access that bookmark, coming over to the three dots, choosing Bookmarks, and there's the site. You can actually edit the name if you would like to by clicking the edit button at the bottom, and you can edit the name of the bookmark. You can also delete as well. And that's basically how to use Canvas in a web browser.